Welcome back to today's video. So as you see, I have a friend behind me. The other one is downstairs. But today we are doing a special video, I guess, because we're trying some new Dairy Queen items. Mine's new anyway. Theirs not so much, but theirs is limited for spring and maybe summer. I don't know.
I think it's just spring.
It could be just spring, but anyway, we got Dairy Queen Blizzards. You want to go grab them? Hold on. I sent her to go grab it, but I hate vlogging when they can see it because they stare at you. Yeah, our dog is on a walk, so she's not there to bark. So I got one that I'm really excited for because I love this stuff as a kid. We gotta wait for her to come back. What are you doing?
Where are you going to go?
He's not there. He's not there.
What?
I will be working out after this, but interesting.
I know, it's heavy.
Hey,
Can you give us the rating?
I don't know.
If you ordered small, that should be fine in that thing. Last time it came in something different.
Yeah, maybe because it's coming from a different location. No, they're all in here. Well, they're soft. So this one looks like it's a Reese's. That's definitely a Reese's. That's a Reese's. Maybe that one's Mom's. That might be the mint brownie. I can't decide what that one is that exploded. Oh, that might be Dad's that exploded.
Really?
I don't know. Maybe, or maybe it's mine. Dad got,
The orange one.
no,
the
drumstick. Let's find it. Can you run and grab napkins for a sec? So I can clean
Isn't
this?
there any in there?
No.
Oh.
It's just a bag.
Weird.
I'm gonna figure out whose this is. It's Dad's. Yeah, that was Mom, which is she got mint brownie, which is not new, but it's, yeah. That's a Reese's. That's a Reese's. I'm pretty sure this one is mine. But it also could be this one. Like, what I just tasted off of here, it's the drumstick.
Mm-hmm.
But the color of it makes me think it's mine.
Oh.
Okay. I really need to label these. Because
This one looks more like what you
like it looks more like what I'm
It
eating.
smells like chocolatey.
But
See?
It smells like it's this doesn't smell like Oreo. Doesn't smell like Oreo.
like mine's supposed to be worms and dirt.
That looks like it's that one. You
Yeah,
should
that
have-
one looks like worms and dirt. But
We have a dilemma. We can't figure
Yeah.
which one's which.
Okay. So
How do we get Dad to
I
test
don't
it?
know.
That one, just
Let's
give
go in
him.
the kitchen first.
Just give him that one. Looks like worms under anyways. The Oreo normally looks like that one. Is that one usually the dirt one?
There's Oreo in it.
There's Oreo.
It's Oreo, worms, and dirt.
Yeah.
This is the problem here.
Maybe they should put them on it, like to put the label on it.
Yeah. Dairy Queen, if you're listening, label.
Yeah. To the kitchen, and I just got.
Dad asked for his to be in the freezer because he's walking the dog.
Oh. So you can taste both of them and find out.
Yeah, probably. Okay. Let's
Oh,
move to the kitchen. I
wow.
want to pause that.
Down. That's not really good. You can see the Oreo one. That one.
Yeah, I can see the Oreos.
So that's down.
Yes?
That one's drumstick.
Yeah.
So mine's the one that exploded, but for some reason it tasted like Dad's. Well, there's still semi-frozen. They're still semi-frozen. They're soft like they're supposed to be.
Are you recording or not?
How long was
Yeah.
Dad gonna need?
Oh, he needs a lid.
Yeah, but how long is he gonna need?
His needs to go in the freezer.
You feel like a 10-minute walk.
No, he goes for a half hour, 45
Okay,
minutes.
here's my appraisal. I have the mint chocolate brownie. It's very minty. It's very good. The brownie pieces are really good. Nice and chewy. Just wish it had a little more chocolate swirl or something into it. So I would give it probably about an 8.5 out of 10. Okay? They're my
Do you like
friends.
toothpaste ice cream?
I like mint.
Do you like toothpaste ice cream?
Jen?
You don't have that in the background.
It's fine. So far, I have not found the worms. Basically, this looks to be like Oreos and chocolate ice cream, so I have not found the worms. They're supposed to be worms.
You have to put that in the freezer.
Yeah, Dad needs a lid. Where'd you put his lid?
Put that in there.
I don't know.
He needs to go in the freezer. Oh, I think I found a worm.
So like mini. So tiny.
Your turn.
Okay, look at that. So I have the pieces, and the cookies are my favorite two things. I was gonna get the cotton candy, but I have it too many times already, so
Because it comes out every year.
yeah. I actually really like this. I
Okay,
need a gem.
go get your other half. Or your partner in crime. Nothing. Jen, do your
This is
rating.
in the freezer.
Yeah, speak louder. What is your rating?
Not frozen.
No, we just had it out.
It's hard to get. Jen.
Pieces are too small. Thank you. They're not gonna hear that.
She said the pieces are too small. What's your rating? Number?
7.
She's giving it a 7, okay. I actually kind of like mine, although the worms, there's not a lot of them. And they're hard. I'd give it like a 7.5.
You have my lid on. Mom didn't know what to do with it.
Neat.
So you got drumstick with peanuts.
It's actually got flavor to it. Not frozen, but
They're all like that. It's supposed to be soft serve, not hard serve.
that's not bad. I'll be able to sell. It's not bad.
No, Mom gave a whole description. You just give it 7.
What do you want to know?
How's it taste?
Tastes good.
Other than good.
Plus, it got flavor to it. Got big chunks.
Okay, this is the first time I've ever gave it a 9. It's the first time I've ever given it a 9 out of 10.
You also like Dairy Queen.
No, I also like Reese's and cookie dough.